How to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Want to supercharge your account security? Today, I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord, that extra layer of protection that keeps hackers out. Let's jump in. First things first, open the Discord and go to user settings. Open the Discord app or website and click the gear icon next to your username, which is on the bottom left. Under My Account, find the button that says Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Click it to start. If you don't have one yet, grab a free authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. Open your Authenticator app and scan the QR code Discord shows you. This links your Discord account to the app. Now enter the 6-digit code. Your Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code. Type it into Discord to verify and activate two-factor authentication. Bonus tip: Discord will also give you backup codes. Save this somewhere safe. They help you get back in if you lose access to your phone. And that's how you enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Easy and super secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.